so we're here with Grayson, and we are going to do the traditional Valentine baking soda and vinegar experiment. I've hidden some treasures in there, and he's gonna bust it open with the vinegar. However, now that Grayson's in the 3rd grade, it's not just about fun, so I'm making him learn some math with it, or reiterate some math.
Aww.
So we are converting milliliters to teaspoons, or teaspoons to milliliter, and you can do whatever conversion you're working on, and just this is a fun hands-on way to practice. So, Grayson, dun 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 dun. 5 milliliters equals how many teaspoons?
1.
Okay, so if I had 10 milliliters, double that, how
2.
many? 2. Now, let's see if you can do this one. A half a teaspoon is how many?
2.5.
Milliliters. Very good. All right, so let's open it up. Let's see if we can make a reaction. Let's see. And let me know how many milliliter teaspoons you're holding when you pull it all the way up. Okay, how many is that? You're going first.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. All right, so that's 5 milliliters. See if you can get a reaction. Oh, our chair just got it too.
Oh my gosh.
All right, try
We got
again.
a reaction.
Try doing 2 teaspoons. Can you find the 2 teaspoons on there? Which would be 10 milliliters. You find 2 teaspoons on there?
Oh, yeah.
And see if you can get a better reaction and break open some treasure.
Looks like water.
Looks like water, but it's not. Oops.
Oh.
Oh, I see one peeking through here. Let's see if we can get this time. 2 teaspoons again.
No, I'm going to do half.
Okay.
Let's see.
2.5 milliliters.
No, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters.
Almost got it.
All right, one more time. Go and fill that bad boy all the way up. See if you can get it free.
I know I can get free of all this. What? Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Got it free.
All right, use your little. All right, put on your plate. That's 1 down and many more to go. Good job, buddy.